Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to cheat on popular games like Cat, Arsenal, Phantom Forces, sort of shooter games, or even any game really. It's a script executor, and I'll show you how to do it. So, first of all, you want to go to this website, JJ right here, you see. And it should be by We Are Devs. I'll leave this, you want to press download. Now here's the thing, I have already done this a lot of times, so you want to press open when done. It's a big file, 43 megabytes, but you know it's alright. Now, it says malicious file, yada yada yada. You want to press run anyway. Now I'm not going to do that because I've already got this downloaded. So if I just go to Desc, and now it will open. Alright. And here you are. If you're wondering why you have to just ignore that virus thing, it's not a virus, it's the cheats, and it makes it seem like a virus. I'll show you why in a minute. So we're going into Cat now. I'll wait for this to load. And yeah. Now, you want to get your JJ split up, and you'll press attach. Now, you can do any of these. God mode, no legs, flashlight, no clip, aimbot, fly. I'm going to choose aimbot. Now, you want to press aimbot before you do anything. And now, what these mean, team check. If they're on your team, then it won't aimbot to them. Wall check, if they're behind a wall, then it won't do them. And I don't know what bypass means, but you know. Now, we want to go to wall check, right? Because, obviously, there's no teams in Cat. And we'll wait for these 30 seconds to be up. Okay, next thing. You need to make sure that you're in first person, or else it won't work as well. And you want to whip out your gun or whatever. Hold down left click and watch this. As soon as I go up to him, or as soon as... boom. It auto locks onto him. We'll do it again. Oh, and now we're the only one on the server. I'll try and do this on a better server. Okay, so now we're in a more filled server. I'll show you what you can do now. This will happen sometimes. It crashes your game sometimes. That's like one of the only downsides to it. Yeah, I needed to show that, so it's a good time to actually happen. Boom. Let's exit the game. Yeah, and your mouse gets stuck. That's the only weird thing. Ah! Alright. Okay, right. Here we are. So, I'm in a bit of a better server now to show this off. Sometimes it doesn't work and all that. That's the annoying thing. But as you can see, it's locking to players in the lobby right now, so this isn't a very good time. It's just that the maps, as you can see, are loading. Right. See that? Boom. Dead. And it also reloads for you. I don't know if that's the game or if it's the hack. You see how OP this is now? And you can still get killed, because obviously there's a delay when you're shooting between shots. So I'm just going to put a bit of gameplay with this. It's also fun to mess with people. Like, they say that you're hacking, you can just say that you're someone on the leaderboards is all. Yeah, you can still get killed. It's not that ridiculously OP unless you want to put on God mode. Then you can't actually die. But it doesn't work for me, God mode, so can't really do that. Now do you see how OP this really is? If you're jumping whilst you're doing it, it does seem to like not they can't kill you as well, and this is how you get like 20 kill streaks. As you can see, I'm on a rampage. And I've been reported. Oh god, I'm gonna get a ban soon on this account. Definitely. Like, there's no doubt about it. So use it at your own risk. Yeah, that's all I have to say. That's the video for today, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.